serikali seritukulia rero banyakonyora maigirio inse ye kiombekia URAIA TRUST ane mono asentere yukonyara kwegenderia katibyo mbibi konyara kwegerero bwende omwanya bantu asomo bagani homo aigase county ya Kisii no wanyara kosemigwa entere banyara gwekine na konyara kwene kimuna basubahati konyara bareko so asamangana yobraye ane mono asensemeria ya siasa nego kinga kicho basabanyara kosemo connect na kwibwatarani bare asintere ao ekerebyo mbibi arokana kwegerera na gotebuna mbagendere komogerera na kuligerio bwene omwanya bantu omurikito dipona sanya nekera na sensemejo na gutwariga roboti rokubwatia
Litukulia rero ebyombe gwetania 30 kati yabo biri bikurwaniriro boene bu musubati meye county ya Kisii nigo batwarege ikaro gyokoene na maigirio yokuyegerera buna omusubati asoborai
Maria tankuru kwedna tambo inde oyo mugo byombe biri bikurwaniriro boene bwa basubati asensemete ya Gusii rero twasangerekana gaiga gweterekyo URAIA TRUST asensemo yoko tema gosemia basubati gosebyombe binyari kwegerana wakonya basubati basose ebirugo biribyo byobogambia asensemo yeto ya Gusii.
Leo tumekuwa na kongamano la wanaharakati hawa, tumeletwa pamoja na kikundi cha URAIA TRUST ambao leo tumekuwa tukizungumzia juu ya maneno ya kuongeza nafasi ya wanawake na vijana katika siasa.
My name is I come from Kisii County. I'm here as a youth representative of an organization. We are here on behalf of URAIA on capacity building us on the importance of women and youth and persons with disability being included in the governance of this country.
Chinga kecho boigo ebyombe byabasae byekirana asomusangerekano ywe baringine ganga yokubwateranirwa asemerobelio ya serikali.
My name is Joseph Kipko. I came here for a program organized by URAIA. The main focus of our program was youth inclusivity in political space or in leadership spaces.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Ndizi. Mimi ni mkazi wa hapa Kisii County. Na sisi kama mayouth tuko hapa leo to increase our spaces, to have our voice heard also by our leaders and to increase the urge for political spaces.
To talk about opportunities that we have for the youth, more especially in Kisii County and in Kenya at large. So we've been able to do a series of activities that are aiming at creating a better space for the youth and for the people living with disability within Kisii County and also in the nation.
Komentana ywe nigo baburia basae koimukirira iguru na kwebwatera aso kwerigeria na kwenyorera libagarigia asoborai nonya na sobochori bolebosio bo mwaka bw'ekiru 2022.
Tunapoendelea na mazungumzo hata wa Gen Z tunaomba ya kwamba mkishatoka streets kujeni pia kwa political spaces as youths na as even young women, itisheni viti in 2027, kumaanisha ushike kipande, si tupige tu kelele na hatuna vipande. Tuingie political seats ili tuweze kureduce wage bill, ndio maisha pia ikwe nini, ikwe rahisi.
Nanyala boni gabasaya babere bakubolia serikali gotegerera amagani yabo nabo igoko bali bagarigia asimirobelio ijamagenderero.
Urge the government to give us a listening ear so that our issues as youth and as the major population in the country can be heard and addressed so that we can build our nation.
If we are there on the tables, in the decision-making tables, we are able to cut on so many accountability issues that we are currently facing.
Our generation, we have decided that 2027 come 2027 will be there to support the young people who are willing, and my encouragement today is for the young people to take up the lead and also fight for those political seats, because we have our space in the government and I feel it is underutilized.
Yiko ripoteri kitaserikia unambe ya mokia Ndizi TV kurubo katakati wye county ya Kisii litere na enkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.